Oh my God.
But I scared to go there the other side. Okay?
Huh?
Scared to go there.
No need, no need. Because we don't know what is it in there. Itong Maylin na to. Kababa lang namin doon sa Haijang Peak. No? So, napunta kami sa kalsada. Supposed to be sa Clearwater Bay kami didiretso. So, ngayon, susundan namin tong kalsada. 12 pa lang kasi, hindi pa kami pagod. So, ito, nasa kalsada kami naglalakad.
See one more.
Thinking about everybody is not tired. It's very easy. Mga sanay na silang magkay kaya kinulang. So, ayaw paawat. Pupunta pa ng Clearwater Bay. Titingnan pala nila yung Twisted Cave talaga. The Clearwater Bay Golf and Country Club. Putoy O. Doon na Putoy O. So mula doon sa tindahan, lumipat lang kami dito sa kabilang side ng kalsada dito sa may Tayao Moon at diretso na ito papuntang Clearwater Bay. So susundan lang namin tong kalsada na to sa kabila. Gusto lang talaga magpakapagod. Nandito sa Taiwan Tao Village. Basta papunta kami ng Clearwater Bay. Oh, dito ngayon daan, oh. Kasi yan yung...
Dito.
Ayan, dito na kami sa Clearwater Bay. First beach. Yan, ba kami dyan. Oh, nilakad lang talaga namin galing dun sa binabaan namin. Ayan. So, dito sa baba, yeah, pwedeng pumunta sa second beach, pero tayo sa first beach. Yeah, there. So you can walk from here to the second beach.
But first beach is so far away.
Yeah. So that beach is almost... We're almost there. And that beach is calling us for now because we need to eat.
Oh no.
Grabe, puro hagdan. Kain agad. Naganon na sila ng pagkain nila. Siyempre, ang una kong gagawin dito ay mag-CR, kaya lang malala. Kasi ang toilet daw ay nasa itaas. Toilet is in the first floor. Sabi. So, saan ang daan? Here. Changing room lang yung sa ibaba. Dito na kami sa Clearwater Bay Beach. Diba? Yan. Sarap ng ano dito ng alon, oh. Dito kami kumain. Diyan kami kumain. Sad to say, naiwan yung aking rice. So, nakikain na lang ako. Ulam na lang yung nadala ko. So, we're going to explore here kung ano meron dito. Hear that? So nice. Ang sarap. Pakisarap pakinggan ng alon. Wow. Ay, wala na pala. Akala ko meron dito sa bato nito. Wala. ganda guys. Sarap sana maligo, kaya lang it's winter time. Hindi kami pwedeng maligo at may ginawat. Wala rin kaming mga dalang mga damit kasi nag-hike kami sa Haijang Peak. Wow! My gosh, ang ganda. So trip pa nilang pumunta sa second beach. So maglalakad kami. Hindi pa talaga sila pagod. Kumain lang kami dun sa first beach at na-bored sila. Kaya punta pa ng second beach. Then from there, we'll take a bus going back to Diamond Hill. And we'll go shopping. Yeah. We'll go shopping in Hollywood Plaza. We are here na sa second beach. Some are doing their bye-bye there. Yeah. Yeah, this is my bahay. They have the tent. And they have the, what is that? Yeah. So that is a makeshift bahay-bahay there, you see? They have the tarapal there. Yeah. Wow. Swimming overall. We are here. Oh, they don't. They don't.
Sexy. My eyes is healthy.
Yeah. We're just from there, in the other side. This number one. Yeah. O, diba? Ang dami namin napuntahan. Haijang Peak, Clearwater Bay, first beach. Nasa second beach kami ngayon. O, diba? And we still have a lot of time. Where? This is also nice. May mga naliligo pa nga yun, no? Ano no, nagsiswimming sila doon. Oh, yeah. I remember. I've been here before. Yes. Emmy? I think there's a way up here. Not the stairs. That is stairs. Hindi. Damo lang siya. It's just a grass. Ah, yeah.
You pop it.
Like a lato.
You pop it.
Just like a lato.
Ayan.
Oh, nice.
Ayan.
Ang seaweed, oh. Enjoy sila sa kapap-pap ko, ano.
Enjoy pop.
Yeah.
Uy,
Tulidi papi-pap-pap. Ang mata, you know, her eyes is very healthy. Oh, binalik. Ay, gano'n siya maghugas. Yeah. Wow. Big waves. Hindi sila natatakot, guys. Ay, wow. Kagaling din ng kuya. Swim like that. Against the wind. Against the waves. Against the wind. Ayan. Ang galing naman nila. Or going back na. Ooh. O, diba si ate? It's nag-yoga. Ang time check, it's 4:19 in the afternoon. What are you doing? Wow! She cleaned her hands. Look at Amy. She cleans her hands in her jacket. How to clean your hands. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, wow. so nice. The wind is not so strong. It's just relaxing. No, we did not change yet. We're still wearing thin jackets.
We don't need, no need to change.
No need to change. The
I
weather
have
is-
extra clothes actually.
Ah,
Just in case.
yeah. Mga galing sa bundok na hindi na kontento like us. Dumaan din sila dito. The two group ladies here wants to explore there. Maybe they want to get tahong.
The tahong is here.
No idea. Mussels. Clam. I don't know. Ayun.
Namin kayo guys.
O, diba? Kung saan kami nakakarating. Iba din yung mga ano dito ah. So what did you see there? Hindi ko alam kung parang bahay-bahay dyan o restaurant.
Summer service is so good here.
Yeah. Oh my God. The water is very clear. It's like to hide. Nap. Ah, yes. So galing kami doon.
Oh, Emmy, let's go there.
Yeah, let's go. We continue there and go back.
Hey guys, ang linaw ng dagat, diba? Ang linaw ng tubig. Diba? Nakikita yung mga bato. Ganyan din dito, oh. Sarap siguro dito pagka summer. Balik kami dito sa summer. Problema kasi dito sa Saikong. Kahit nasabihin nating maganda. Ang mahal ng pamasahe, tapos ang layo. Kailangan pa maghabol ng bus kapag hapon na. Kaya bihira kami nakakarating dito. Kaya nga. O diba, nagpakahirap. Mga kinulang sa hike. You know, Emmy, last time we go kayak, it's our first time, you know. We don't know how to paddle. You know that girl, she left us.
Oh, why? You're not patient.
Yeah. Then they go to the Jen Island without us. Ay, grabe, ang ganda talaga. They said that we are near in the cave already. They found the cave. Yes. O, diba, sa kaka-explore nakita din. Habang ang mga friends namin nandun pa sa kabilang beach. Climb up. Huh? Oh my God. Huh? No need. Because we don't know what is it in there. Itong Maylin na to. So Maylin is there. In the middle. I don't want to take off my shoes. But you know the cave is over there. The one that we are looking. So that's really the cave. We'll just do the zoom. Nandun lang yung cave sa kabila. Punta kami doon. Pero medyo malabo na yung camera ko eh. Oh my God! Yung duki na sa dagat.
Sa dagat.
Ay, gusto mo eh.
Gusto ko talaga doon.
Ang galing nila. Oh, nagkita-kita rin kami dito. Iniwan namin sa beach 1. Nandito na rin sa second beach. So, sabay na kaming uuwi. Pag-akyat. Nandito na kaagad yung bus stop.